Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view on this device. First of all, select an app and open it, like Play Store. Then choose Home button and tap on this button with 3 lines. After that, click on the icon of an app and select Open in split screen view. Then select the other app by tapping on the chosen one, like Chrome. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!